Question number 3. Determine the magnitude and direction of the current in all the branches of the network shown in figure below. So here is a network in which some incoming currents like 30 ampere and 15 ampere and certain outgoing currents like 25 ampere and 20 ampere are shown along with the various branch resistances. Now we have to find here current in all these branches along with their directions. Let us redraw the circuit once again in the solution part. So here is the circuit drawn once again. Let us take this current here as I1 ampere. Okay. If I take current through resistance of 0.01 ohm as I1, then current here will be I1 minus 20 ampere. Applying KCL here, it is incoming current, it is outgoing current. So remaining current will be flowing through this 0.02 ohm resistance. So here we get I1 minus 20 ampere. Now I1 minus 20 ampere is incoming current at this node or junction, and 15 ampere is also incoming current. Therefore, current here will be I1 minus 20 plus 15. I1 minus 20 plus 15. That is equal to I1 minus 5 ampere. So right here I1 minus 5 amperes. Now this I1 minus 5 is incoming current here, and from this incoming current 25 ampere of current will go out. So remaining current will be I1 minus 5 minus 25, that is equal to I1 minus 30 ampere. So here current is now I1 minus 30 ampere. Okay. In this mesh we don't have any voltage source. So voltage rise is equal to 0. Applying KVL to the mesh, we get voltage rise equal to 0, 0.01 I1 plus 0.02 into the bracket I1 minus 20 plus 0.04 into I1 minus 5 plus 0.01 into I1 minus 30. Simplifying this, we get 0.01 I1 plus 0.02 I1 plus 0.04 I1 plus 0.01 I1 minus 20 into 0.02. 0.4. 0.04 into minus 5. Minus 0.2. 0.01 into minus 30. That will be minus 0.3. So 0 equal to, adding all these we get 0.08 I1 minus 0.9. So 0.9 equal to 0.08 I1, and hence I1 becomes equal to 0.9 divided by 0.08, that is equal to 11.25 amperes. Now using 11.25 ampere we can find all the branch currents. To show all the branch currents and directions, we will draw answer diagram. In this branch we have taken current as I1 and I1 is equal to 11.25 ampere. In this branch current flowing is I1 minus 20 ampere, that is 11.25 minus 20. It will be minus 8.75. Since direction of current that we have assumed is in downward direction, but we are getting current in this branch with negative sign, therefore we have to reverse the direction of current, and hence I1 minus 20, that is equal to 8.75 ampere here. A is unit of current here, that is ampere, and current here will be I1 minus 5 ampere, that is 11.25 minus 5, 6.25. And current flowing in this branch is I1 minus 30 ampere in the upward direction. But if I calculate 11.25 minus 30, that is I1 minus 30, I get answer with negative sign, that is minus 18.75. So instead of showing current in downward direction with negative sign, I will show the current in upward direction with positive sign. So here current will be 18.75 ampere. So these are the various branch currents with their directions.